Hey, what is going guys? Welcome back to another food video on the channel, and today's food recipe is going to be pasta. Yes, it's going to be pasta again, mainly because previously when I made the pasta video and stream, I actually had a bunch of leftover ingredients from the stream and video, as well as some leftover ingredients in the fridge previously that is going to go bad. So yeah, I decided to use it all into one dish. Another reason why is because I absolutely love pasta, and you should too, because pasta is super versatile and very easy to make yummy and delicious. So this recipe is actually going to take even less time than the previous recipe, so it's even simpler. No fancy stocks or anything required. This should take no longer than 15 or 20 minutes for you to make, or a maximum of 30 minutes for you to make. So let's get straight into the video. First off, you're going to slice a quarter of a medium-sized yellow onion. My knife isn't very sharp in this frame, but I'll swap it later on, as you'll see. Just mince it nice and fine. Next up, you're going to crush and peel some, 2 cloves of garlic. Just mince it up. Real easy, no technique required for either. Next up, this is where I actually changed my knife, but yeah, I'm gonna slice up some yellow cherry tomatoes, and these tomatoes were actually gonna go bad, so I'm glad I used it. Now we're gonna dice up some sandwich ham. This is actually chicken ham, and this was also gonna go bad in my fridge, so I'm really glad I used it for this recipe, and it actually worked really well. Next up, we're going to chiffon out some basil, and I actually absolutely love basil on pasta. So even if I didn't have it or didn't have any extra, I would actually get on my way to buy it just to add it to this specific dish, because basil on pasta is just so good. Next up, in this pot is actually some water that's already been heated up by a kettle. Salt it. I'm gonna add the pasta in. Yes, rigatoni, because I used rigatoni last time. Next up, in a pan with light olive oil, I'm gonna saute the onions and garlic together because ain't nobody got time to separate them. Next, we're gonna add the ham in, and actually I'm gonna saute the ham in the pan and not remove the ham, because I want the ham to actually incorporate into the sauce rather than separate and be like a protein on top. Now you're gonna deglaze the pan with pasta water. Yes, just pasta water. No fancy stock, nothing, just pasta water. Deglaze the pan. Next up, I'm gonna put in some whipping cream, which was left over from the last stream or video I did. And I know it doesn't look really appetizing right now because the color is a bit weird, but trust me, it gets better. Next up, put your cherry tomatoes in the pan as well, and you don't want to put the cherry tomatoes too early in because you don't want them to be really mushy. Next up, you're gonna add your pasta in, and then add in 3 knobs of cold butter just to emulsify into the sauce to make it rich and buttery, which is always a good thing. Next up, add in your chiffonade of basil. Add loads of it because it's super delicious. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment if you tried the recipe and tell me if you like it.